Precision Door, a name you can trust.
There's a couple different types of rollers out there on the market today. This is a metal roller with an exposed bearing system, which means that the bearings are accessible through small minor gaps on the back side and front side of the roller. The downside of this roller is that over time, due to the gaps, grime, dust, dirt, debris getting inside and wearing down on the bearings, it causes the roller to start to fatigue. It becomes loose. The bearings no longer have integrity. And you can actually hear the bearings inside of it rattling around. Your door rides on these. These are very similar to the tires on your car. The door's weight is distributed along these rollers when the door is in the up position. Any kind of fatigue, bearing wear, a loose wheel can cause the door either to lose motion as it's traveling through the track, cause the door to hang up or become crooked inside the opening. It can also cause a lot of noise and unpleasant sounds that you have to hear every time your door opens. Roller we use here at Precision is a nylon roller. It's got a sealed bearing unit on the front and the back, which keeps out all the dust, dirt, grime, debris that would get inside here and cause these bearings to prematurely wear. The nylon coating on the wheel helps the roller stay quiet and helps the door stay quiet as it's moving through the track. This roller has been the go-to replacement for the old style metal rollers that we've seen over the past few years. Precision Door does not carry the metal roller. These are on a budget installation door. These have a very short lifespan, maybe good for only 2 to 3 years, and it has to be maintained quite a bit. These rollers require a lot of lubrication on a monthly basis to keep them quiet and keep them rolling free, versus the Precision roller, which requires very little maintenance as you have a sealed bearing. The only thing you really would lubricate on the Precision roller is the wheel itself to help it glide through the track as the door is moving. So after we come out and replace your rollers with our new Precision nylon rollers, you can keep these and join your mariachi band.
Precision Door service, a name you can trust.